There is money in waste recycling, but nobody said it's easy. If you're going to go into the business of waste recycling, you must be ready to work. You must be ready to work. Now, I want to talk about the trainings that I offer, although I'm about to rebrand the whole thing. There's a particular course that we call PET Plastic Waste Recycling Online course. That's where I teach people how to recycle PET bottles. PET bottles are this bottled water, Fanta, Coca-Cola, those kind of those beverage drinks. The plastic that is used to package them are called PET bottles, right? And in that training, we teach people how to recycle these PET bottles, the type of equipment, the mistakes that we made when we started, and how to avoid making the same type of mistake. That's one of the trainings that we have. And then we have the second one, which is called other plastic waste recycling online course. That is where we teach people how to recycle gallons, pure water sachets, plates, plastic plates, every PVC pipes, PVC ceilings. These are all recyclables. All plastics are recyclables, right? And these two courses are online. You can access them anywhere. They are very practical. Some people have asked, how can they learn recycling online? At this moment, about 500 and something people have already gone through that training. Some of them are not even in Nigeria. Some of them are people in other African countries. I have people in Europe, Asia, America who have gone through these trainings for their own education. One of my mentees is working towards starting a waste recycling business in Canada, right? So these trainings are they are well packed. However, I'm working on bringing up new trainings. There will be plastic recycling business training. There will be cardboard and white paper recycling. There will be tire and rubber. There will be iron and aluminium recycling. I am about to bring out different courses for all these materials. But for now, we have just these two courses. And then we have the Obonge of Europe, which is the PET Plastic Waste Export class. That's where we teach you how to export PET bottles to Europe, Asia, and America. That's a VIP class. It is expensive. It's not for everybody. These other two that I talked about are less than 100,000 naira. Anybody can register and learn and start the business. There's money in waste recycling. You will make money for yourself. That money that you're paying to learn, you will make it in your first supply. You will make it times 5 in your first supply. So don't let the fee be a problem for you. This knowledge that you gain will impact your life. So let me go back to PET Plastic Waste Export class. I started that class in 2004. It's a VIP class for wealthy people, because for you to be able to export PET bottles, you must have money. You must be able to buy equipment. If you're going to do baling, you have to buy a baling machine worth about 35 to 40 million naira. By the time you are done with setup and everything, it should be costing you about 60 to 70 million. If you are going into production of PET flakes, if you are going to buy more than that, you're going to need more than that. So that's why I said that you must have minimum of about 50 million before you can start the business at that level. And that's why the fee is on the high. It's 2.5 million for the physical class, 1.5 for the virtual class, right? It is the high level. And at that level, you could generate at least $1,000, $2,000 per day. Why do we say that? Because when you have converted this material to a raw material, at that point it becomes money. It's just a matter of supply, and the market is waiting for you to supply as many as you have. So that is that about that. So if you want to go into that want to go into the export business, it's happening at the end of this month, on the 27th, 28th, and 29th of this month, right? Month of March. I have that class 2 times in a year, March and September yearly. For this month, I think in the next 2 weeks we'll close the registration. So if you want to be in that class, you have to register now. The trash is cash. My name is Emmanuel, and they call me the Buddha.